Hello everyone. So this video is for the students and the researchers who wants to make presentations and save their time without searching and collecting data from different raw websites. This video is for them. So watch complete this video so that you can easily understand how to make presentations using ChatGPT. Okay, so let's go to the chat GPT and just make the presentations free of cost. So here I have opened the account of the chat GPT, and here in the send message button, I will tell the chat GPT my topic in which I want to make presentations. So first of all, I will tell you that the chat GPT is a textual based AI model. It gives only the text, the research about our topic, and collects some raw data and material, which is very important data, and it gives us very useful information and very effective and productive information. But in this chat GPT, we cannot make our images for our presentations. So in chat GPT, we can make the presentations which is textual based key points and the very effective data it will gives us. But we have to add images to our presentations by our own. So now I will tell you how can we make our slides for our presentations on the topic. I will tell the chat GPT to write a presentation on, and in this inverted commas, in between inverted commas, I will write the topic of my presentation, and I will tell the chat GPT to make how much slides for my presentation. So currently I will tell it to make just 5 slides for my presentation. Write a presentation on the topic in 5 slides. And here we can also add write a test presentation on. So in between the inverted commas, I will tell the topic. So I will tell it cloud computing. Let something cloud computing, or we can also tell it research models on cloud computing. So this is the topic that I have suggested for my presentation, and the topic is research models on cloud computing. And I have tell the chat GPT write a best presentation on research models on cloud computing in 5 slides. So it will give me my data according to 5 slides for my presentation. Okay, so now we will press enter button, and it has start generating the data for our presentation. And the best part is that it provides a step-by-step process that slide 1 has this key points, and slide 2, then slide 3, and rest of the part. So it's a very good AI model, and it has given me a very good and effective data for my research models on cloud computing. And it also gives our title, our introduction, performance, types of research models, the key points, the best points for that could be for my presentation. Now I will tell you how can we utilize and make our presentations for this best data that has ChatGPT provided to me. So there are many PowerPoint presentation making tools online and offline. So I will tell you one of them, which is tome.app. So tome.app is very famous nowadays to make our presentations. I will just put the link in the description of the video so you can check out. And this app is an AI app making presentations, and you can use this app. I have make already a login on this website, so you can make a login before making the presentation. So from here I can select any template which I like for my presentation and just start my work, and just I will copy the slide 1 data from here and just put it in my slide first model. So this is the best website tome.app to make our presentations, to give our presentations a new look. So Just I can copy our data and just paste here, and from here you can edit it. Okay, so here you can select the text. Okay, so double click on it, and you can just copy and paste your data here, and you can just save it. So it is a time saving and really good presentation making tool. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.